Hey everyone! Welcome to Tuteby, where we turn coding mysteries into eureka moments. I am so thrilled to begin this journey with you, and I know you're just as excited as I am. To dive into the world of data science and machine learning, we need a clear path. What will we learn? Where will we end up? Let's map this out together. Structured sections, real-world projects. Here's exactly what's ahead. 1. Machine learning. What is machine learning? We'll use fun tools, demystify the hype, and make you the smartest person at the dinner table. 2. Python fundamentals. Never coded? No worries. We'll teach you. Already a pro? Skip ahead. We've got you covered. 3. Make proper environment. Jupyter notebooks, Conda, virtual environments. By the end, you'll walk into your first job ready to conquer. 4. Advanced projects. This is where the magic happens. Neural networks, deep learning, GPU-accelerated training. We'll build models that actually classify images, like a pro. This isn't just a course. It's your launchpad. Join our community. Build projects. Own your future. Ready? Let's get started. Your first day on the job begins now. Thanks for watching. Remember, at Tuteby, we're not just teaching code. We're teaching you to think like a coder. See you in the next video. So, which strategy would you use? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this detective story, smash like. Let's make YouTube's recommend this video. Subscribe,